Trying to change out my kitchen faucet. I got mess everywhere. And if you don't have any help, have problems with the sink where you're supposed to hold on to this, or your partner, whoever, is supposed to hold on to the faucet. But if you don't have that, I've used a long pair of pliers, another one to hold it together. Of course, I secured a rag so it won't scar it up. I may have to use this again, not sure. So that way when I turn the nut from the other side, this will stop it and it should come undone. Now folks, if you ever had to change a kitchen faucet, of course getting the nuts off is not so bad. The problem I have is, actually this is not that old of a faucet, not but about 2 years old, and they still sell them at Lowe's. That washer there is not but about, oh, I'll show you what I'm talking about. That little washer right there is not but about maybe 1/8 of the inch thick, and no channel lock, and the pliers that they sell you. Let me show you. I got it in this bag somewhere, I think. Well, the one doesn't work too good. Well, I had to get this quick connect off, and I've gone on a lot of videos, YouTube, and cannot find anything. They tell you you're supposed to push on this, whoops, wrong side, on this, and it's supposed to release. Well, when you get older, it's hard to push on that, for one, and be up underneath the sink. And with arthritis, it's so hard to do that. So, we made a pair of needle nose, and you get a vise, well, a vise is what I used, and I just bent the ends so they were like claws. And then if you push down on here like this, it popped right off. So these are actually a wonderful set of tools, easy to make, very easy to make, for any of your quick releases that look like this. I have seen people cut them, burn them, all kinds of stuff, but it will just pop right off. My problem with this was this end right here. Let me show you. This section right here screwed on the spray nozzle. Spray nozzle right here, see? And it came into this, like I said, it's supposed to connect like that and screwed onto here. Well, after 2 years of using it, it came unscrewed. And it is like impossible to thread through. All right, well, our next video, we're going to get that 1/4 inch nut off with a tool I just got. If not, we're going to have to make one like I did the quick connect. All right, we'll talk to you later, YouTube. Let's see what happens. Bye.